Hi everyone, welcome to the KUSANAGI series. I'm Tomoya, a marketer at Prime Strategy. Let me start with a bold question. What if your WordPress site could learn dramatically faster without changing a single line of application code? And that's exactly what KUSANAGI is designed to do. In this series, I'll show you what KUSANAGI is, how it works, and why it's trusted in a real production environment. So what is KUSANAGI? In simple terms, it's an ultra-optimized CMS execution environment built specifically for performance and security. It's delivered as a pre-configured virtual machine image or container environment that you can deploy on your preferred infrastructure platform. Most people deploy WordPress, then spend days or weeks turning Nginx configs, PHP settings, database, parameters, caching layers. With KUSANAGI, we already done that tuning for you. No mysterious server tuning rituals required. KUSANAGI was born in Japan and has been adopted by enterprises, government agencies, and high-traffic websites. It learns real production systems, handling significant traffic every day. But here's the thing, everyone using WordPress benefits faster speeds, enhanced security, and the ease of setup and management. Under the hood, it's built on Arma Linux OS, Nginx, Apache, PHP FPM, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, like that. All carefully optimized for CMS workloads. And yes, HTTP 2 and HTTP 3 are supported out of the box. All right, let's talk about performance. In benchmark environments, KUSANAGI has demonstrated up to 260 times higher throughput compared to a standard LAMP setup when page caching is enabled. Before anyone panics, that depends on hardware, workload, and configuration. Real-world results vary. But here's the part I personally find more interesting. What happens without caching? Because real-world sites aren't just static pages. So you have WordPress admin screens and member dashboards, e-commerce checkout flows, logged in user sessions like that. And page caching doesn't help you there. Even without page caching, KUSANAGI has shown roughly 2 times performance improvements compared to default server configurations. In benchmark environments, it handled over 1,000 dynamic requests per second without caching. That means faster admin panels, first member pages, first checkout experiences. And when dynamic pages respond faster, user experience improves, server load decreases, infrastructure scales more efficiently. Caching is great, but if your performance depends entirely on caching, that's not real performance. Both sides are learning WordPress with the exact same theme. The server environments also have identical specifications, so this is a fair comparison. On the left, we have a standard LAMP environment. On the right, we have a KUSANAGI environment. Now, we are going to use Apache Bench to apply the same load to both servers. The question is simple. Which one can handle more requests in less time. Okay, let's start with the standard LAMP environment. As you can see, it's processing the request steadily. Now, let's run the same test on the KUSANAGI environment. And you can clearly see the difference, right? The processing completes noticeably faster. Now, take a look at the request per second metric. This shows how many requests the server was able to process per second. Naturally, the higher number means better throughput. When we compare the results, KUSANAGI delivers nearly double per performance. When we compare the results, KUSANAGI delivers nearly double the performance. And remember, this is without any manual tuning on the user side. And we didn't tweak a single configuration file. No magic, just optimization done right. Pretty impressive, right? KUSANAGI comes in multiple editions. The free edition is designed for testing purposes or personal websites. The business edition includes additional features along with official support and performance assurance from the developers. The premium edition includes Wexel, our web acceleration technology that optimizes performance from server to browser. And the security edition goes even further. It includes automated OS and middleware updates, building malware and antivirus detection, security auditing capabilities, and automated audit result notifications. It also supports major middleware upgrades without server downtime, which means you can update critical components without interrupting your services. In other words, it's designed to help you stay secure and up-to-date without adding operational burden. We will dive deeper into each edition in future episodes. KUSANAGI is available on 26 major cloud and infrastructure platforms, spanning 39 countries and 218 regions worldwide. AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and many regional providers. You can also deploy it using Docker or VMware for on-premises environments. So wherever your infrastructure lies, public cloud, private cloud, or hybrid, KUSANAGI can be deployed there. That's your high-level introduction to KUSANAGI. In the next episode, we'll explore why WordPress sites actually become slow and why caching alone isn't the full answer. If you're into performance, scalability, or just enjoy seeing service under less stress, subscribe and stay tuned. See you in episode 2.